This is another unboxing video. This time the package arrived from MPB, and this is not the first time I received a package from MPB. This is the second time. My previous purchase from MPB was a Sigma 45mm compact prime lens for my Panasonic S9, and this one is a different package. This one is, for the sake of variety, for Sony. Again, I can say that the packaging from MPB is excellent. Definitely a professional service. This is what I received. Let's start with the lens, and then I'm going to go on with the camera. So camera and the lens. So as for the lens, this is the Sony Zeiss 35mm f2.8 ZA lens, and it arrived with its original packaging. Very nifty that the MPB people put some padding in the box of the lens to give a better protection for the shipment. Okay, so this is the lens, really small and tiny. So this lens is about the same size as my Sigma compact prime lenses. And this is a famous lens because this one of the three lenses Sony released together with the Alpha 7 cameras 11 years ago. So this lens was released in 2013, and at that time this was a brutally expensive lens. Even today it is significantly expensive, and it has this Zeiss logo. At that time Sony was very close relationship with Zeiss. Today not so anymore. And then at that time most of the lenses were designed or made together with Zeiss. Very interesting that this lens is made in Japan. It has a very nifty lens hood. So this lens is absolutely a desired, and it's a long time on my wish list. I already have the Sony Zeiss 55mm lens, and now this is the second Sony Zeiss lens that I have. The Batis lenses that I have, I don't regard Sony Zeiss co-production because they are completely designed and made by Zeiss. So this is the lens. I'm very happy that after 11 years I could afford. Actually, I had the money to buy lenses, but at that time I wasn't able to justify this very high price. And at that time I remember I purchased mostly old lenses, Nikon AFD lenses or even older lenses. So yes, and and then the second item in my package is a Sony A7R. 11 years ago I purchased a Sony A7, but not the R, because at that time the R was significantly more expensive, and together with this combo at that time it was really a premium price. But today I was able to purchase it at a decent price. The MPB website advertised this specific item as like new condition. Again, MPB people are smart that they added additional protective wrapping in the box for additional protection. What do I have here? I have here a battery charger, again USB cable and battery charger cable. And what else? Oh, it also came with a leather explorer. I used to love these gizmos in good old times, but then I stopped using them because it made the camera 0.5 millimeter bigger, and definitely I prefer. But anyhow, so very nice that the original owner added this half case to the package. The camera strap, oh excellent, it still has the original camera strap. And here is the camera itself. So as advertised, this was advertised as like new, and I can confirm that there is not a single scratch and not a single, as if this camera wasn't used at all, hasn't been used at all. Fantastic. Let me see if the battery is included. No, the battery is excluded, possibly because of these regulations. So it came with only one battery, but I have enough batteries. But let's see if this battery has any power in it, and then let's just give a try to this. Yeah, absolutely fantastic combo. So the reason I prefer this original design, because here the body of the camera was slim and sleek, and the button was on the placed on the body itself, and the grip, the battery grip, was made a lot less protruding as today's Sony cameras. Let's see if there is any battery power in it. No, it has. Oh, interesting. Area and daytime. Enter. Daylight saving. On. Daytime. Today is let me just change the format to year, month, day, and then change the format. This is 2024. The month is September, beginning of school. Today was the first day in school, and the time is 7 o'clock. Battery exhausted. Okay, so anyhow, absolutely brutally excellent, gorgeous looking camera, and hopefully it's going to work brilliantly. And I also yesterday, because I was waiting actually for this camera for a couple of days, I purchased a Sony shoulder bag, and this is a quite small one, and to see if that is an excellent combo. So I decided that I want to purchase a separate bag for each and all of my cameras, and if possible with the same maker as my camera has. So this camera bag is perfect for this. This bag is simply perfect for this camera and lens combo, and still has room for maybe the 55 millimeters lens next to it, and a couple of other gizmos. Brilliant. So this is the reason I love these original Sony cameras.